who knew that a simple text would lead to a lifetime of love. From the moment we started issuing words on the screen, our hearts wrote a story more beautiful than any novel. Every message, every call, every moment we shared has built the foundation of life we are about to create together. Today, standing before you, I vow to give you the love that never fades, a love that is steady, strong, and unwavering. I promise to be responsible in all the ways that matters, to be the person you can rely on through every joy and challenge. I vow to grow old with you, to walk hand in hand through every season of life, to celebrate our triumph and laugh through our stumbles. I promise to trust you will always be part of our love, and laughter will fill our days, because with you, even the simplest moments become magical. Anna, you are my greatest adventure, my safest home, and the most beautiful dream come true. I will love you today, tomorrow, and every day after, just as I do now, with all that I am and all that I will ever be.
Today, I am filled with gratitude, love, and unwavering commitment. I vow to talk beside you through all the life seasons with courage in times of challenge, with humility in moments of joy, and with steadfastness through all that lies ahead. I vow to love you not only when life is simple and sweet, but also when the Wi-Fi is down and we are both hungry, even when your joke needs work. I promise to be calm in chaos, your snack catcher during movie nights, gaming time, and your patient co-pilot when we're definitely not lost, just exploring alternative routes. I will support your dreams and stand by you as we grow and learn. In all the seriousness, I pledge my heart and lifelong commitment.